If you don't like broken bones but still want to know how they fix, then stay tuned. Here's the scoop on fractures and healing. A bone fracture happens when your bone cracks or breaks, often from trauma or stress. There are several types, from simple and closed, where the bone stays inside the skin, to compound and open, where it pierces through. Each type requires specific treatment and care. The healing process kicks off with inflammation, forming a blood clot at the break. Next, repair begins as new tissue forms a soft callus, which hardens over weeks. Finally, remodeling strengthens the bone back to its original state. Factors like age, nutrition, and lifestyle can speed up or slow down healing. So eat well, stay active, and keep those bones strong. Understanding fractures and healing helps everyone, especially future doctors like you. Stay curious.